One day you're gonna use it and then you are happy that you get it for free, or you hear somebody use it and then you think, oh, now I have to pay for it, I could get it for free. Hi everybody and welcome back on a new vlog. Today I've got some free plugins for you, and for me, or the best package, it's let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plugins. One from Native Instruments, one from iZotope, and the best package you can get is the package from Plugin Alliance. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plugins. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 already from them. So I've got this channel strip. I use it a lot. So go grab the plugins from Plugin Alliance, because they are now under one umbrella from Soundwide. That's why you get the plugins for free. So it's now iZotope. I have the Neutron already, so I can grab it, but I grab the Eternal Earth sound module. I grab that one, and of course I grab the plugins from Plugin Alliance that I don't had, so I have them now. And there is a masterings plugin there, the channel strip. I use the blue box a lot, and of course sometimes when I need quickly try something out with a mastering, I put in this plugin. The other one I don't know, so I'm gonna check that one out. It's very simple. You go to the website and then grab the plugin. You have to have an account, or you have to make an account, and then everything sounds out by itself. When you go to the website from iZotope, Plugin Alliance, or Native Instruments, you see more or less the same screen. You can click on there and then grab, and they give you the code, or they put it in your account and then you can install it. I think this offer stands till 29th of April, but I don't know for sure. So be quickly with it, grab the plugins, install them, and enjoy using them. It's still 26th of April, and just use this code when you log out, and then the plugins are for free. If you click get offer, yeah, you see then you see when you click get offer, you have to log in, and you see with the code it's for free. So I really think you should grab this. Also, if you don't have the iZotope plugins, just try this one out. It's a really nice EQ. Try it out, spend some time with it, and enjoy it. I don't know the sounds of this one, but I'm gonna try it later on out. So let me know what you think about the free plugins, or if you have any other good free plugins, leave a comment. Free plugins are always welcome. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you back tomorrow. Enjoy!